we're going to be a bit of a mucky spot. Get in and out of this very quickly. Oh shit. Shit. Welcome back to the channel. I am out for a birthday spin and I'm just headed up to the top of Coombe on my way to find a couple more tracks. Yep. Easy. Pick my lane. Big slabby rock. Getting up anyway. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. bound to be a bit of a mucky spot. Get in and out of this very quickly. Oh shit. Shit. I'm in a muck and it's going to be some effort to get this out, so right, here we go. So hold on, clean this up. It got proper stuck in some really boggy ground. I'm currently trying to drag her up and back onto, sorry, a bit tired now. Back up into that and head back up. Because at least I know I can get back out that way. Oh my god. Fuck me. Happy birthday, Rob. She's back up there. Dragged her out of there. Spent. Big red head. Oh my god. So I'm just thinking now, do I head back up the way I came? Able to get out, or I continue on and that it's dry and I don't encounter anything like that again. I was touch and go. I was a bit worried there for a while. I wouldn't get it out. I've been fine with another person. Just a lot of wiggling and shifting, but got there. And she's running, so that's the main thing. Right, take a drink of water, get my stuff back on me, get some energy back in, and then make a decision what I'm doing. Adventure. Right, made the decision. Just going to turn back and go back up the way I came and get out. I'd love to keep going, I really would, but I'm on my TOD, and yeah, it's going to defeat me. I've hit my confidence small, but if there was someone else here with me, I'd drive on, because if I got stuck again, at least I'd have another set of hands. But oh my god, yeah, just safety first, as they say. I don't want anyone having to come up and rescue me or anything, so I'll get back out of here and maybe loop around and see at the other side of it how we get on. Yeah, but I'm okay, that's the main thing. Right, let's get out of here, defeated by the bog. Oh my god, guys, I'm a bit gutted, not gonna lie, after getting stuck there and not finishing this track, but gotta be smart. And how we, oh come on, up you go, donkey. There we are. Oh. There we go. Big rocks. and this is brilliant prep for next month. I just needed another hand and I'd be flying, but yeah, just have to call it. Filthy, but it's good, all good. Spoke to Johnny and he's laughing his ass off, as well he should. I did tell him I don't think he'd be able to take the Pan America up there, not anytime soon anyway, but the plough on. I have a few other places I wanted to see today. Cheers, lads. Here we are at the Ballabama Gap, and honestly what a place to finish today. After the battle I had earlier getting the bike out of that bog, this scenery more than makes up for it. Roads like this, views like this, it's exactly why I love getting out on the bike. A tough day, but a brilliant one.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.